Not yet, Chief. They're coming right up to the edge of the drop zone right now. Alright. Drogue set. Platform 28's out. Platform is out. 4 good canopies. Load is stabilizing. A little bit of oscillation.
The wind.
It's landing pretty much right in the middle of the drop zone. Good platform, good load.
Okay, hey, I'm gonna call good load, but I still want you to do an inspection, so I need you to get out there and look at it.
Alright, it's still on its way down.
Say again?
It's still on its way down.
Okay, yeah, well, let it land first, Corey.
4 good canopies, still. Perfect. Yep, perfect landing.